Alrighty, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, with another product review video. This is on the AC Pro Ultra Synthetic AC Recharge. It's supposed to be the #1 selling recharge kit, and I just got finished trying it out in my car. The instructions is right here, so they make the instructions pretty simple when you get it, and it's actually a big can, so most likely 9 times out of 10 you're not going to use all of this. If this was about $37, this tells you right here if your pressure is low or if it's in the green, it's just right. If it's low, in my case, mine was right here. If it's low, then you want to keep going until it gets in the green. Once it gets in the green, you can turn it off. Everything is all good. But if it's on a hot day, like for me, if it's a hot day outside, I would definitely recommend, I would highly recommend that you wait for a couple of minutes until your AC kind of gets the cool air in and circulate. You also have to press the circulation button in the AC button per instructions. That's what they tell you with the AC Pro. I would recommend you wait like 5 minutes. Wait for a couple of minutes, let it cool and circulate, let the air cool, circulate in your vehicle. But this works. I just want to recommend those of y'all that might be thinking about purchasing this. Some of the features on the can, it says it has massable cold air, leak sealer, protects the system, and it extends your AC life. So they do have this. It has to have R134a. I recommend you check your vehicle before you actually buy this, because you don't want to waste your time buying something that's not going to work. So you got to make sure your vehicle is compatible with the R134a up there. It does take 10 minutes. That's what it says right here. It takes 10 minutes. It absolutely takes 10 minutes. Like I said, I recommend y'all get this. It also is like this. This is really good. All right, y'all. To the next product review video, I'm out of here.